Today we'll install the Nappa leather front and rear trunk mats. Open the trunk. Fold down the rear seats. Attach the left cushion. Apply the center cushion and press lightly to secure it. Attach the right cushion. Install the left side panel extension to the left storage compartment cushion in the trunk. First, insert the cushion into the gap on the left side of the rear seat and align it snugly. Press the leather along the vehicle wall until it adheres to the storage bin, carefully adjusting each section to ensure a snug fit. Apply the leather to the right-hand side using the same method. When installing the trunk liner, align it with the edge position and carefully position it against the rear seats. Raise the rear seat to the halfway position and tuck the creased part of the cushion into the gap. Restore rear seat position. Finally, align the cushion near the door with the corresponding hole and press it into place.